Good morning, out the door weather. This is Dawn in Colorado with a weather update. Well, we indeed did have a storm, and we have about 28 degrees right now and winds at about 21 miles per hour. We have about 250 closures in the Denver metro area. And so we have a blizzard. I-25 has been closed down in places. We've got I-70 closed down in some places. And so, pretty much closed down the state of Colorado today. Well, at least the southern part. The northern part didn't get any snow, if you can imagine that. Anyway, just wanted to give you this weather update. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.